this is a trick that I do. I go in like I'm doing a story on Instagram. I'm a filter person, so I will set the filter and I will do hands-free. So the little drop down in the hands-free option, and I will set it to record. I will have it just record, and I will do different poses and I will hold them. So I'll smile, and I will just stop there for a second. And then I'll do like a little, that kind of thing, and I'll hold it for a second. And I'll just do a video, however long, until my face gets tired of doing this. And then I download that. So let's just, that kind of thing. And then I save it to my camera roll. And as I'm going through, if I find something I like, my gosh, my chin looks huge there, but okay. Let's say I like that.
Yeah, I had thought about doing this kind of thing too. So that's it's a great tip.